Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. Little pool and chicken update. It takes nothing to keep this pool clean. Next year it's going to be a fish pond though. Might be a swimming fish pond pool. So I got some bamboo arches I will replace next year. I may do something different. I may get spray paint PVC water line for those middle three. The outside arch seems to be okay. But chicken update. The gate is open. It's getting late in the year. Nice warm evenings and chilly nights, and the chickens are on the wrong side of the fence. Yeah, I'm letting them explore. I've got two of them, Roadrunner and Flint, which is a Roadrunner's a little black one and Flint is a gray fuzzy one. They'd still be in jail in their little cage. I don't think they're going to get any bigger. They're just teeny. See them right there? They're giving it hell though. Hey guys. Come here. Mark. Come here. Oh yeah. Not interested in me right now. They're out here playing woods chickens. Now I need to teach them to go back to their door. So that's yeah, there's Agatha. She's become a real bully. But Bob, on the other hand, oh, hey Bob. He's my big yellow one here. Was crowing this morning. I don't know if Bob's a rooster or not. We shall see. But I got to play helicopter mom today. We'll see how it goes with all the cats. And they got to learn this stuff anyway. Watch for predators. And the exchange for this is learn how to go back to your roost in the evenings. And you'll get let out. Alright guys, that's the update. See ya.